Welcome back, family. In today's video, I have one hot opportunity to share with you that is seriously heating up. And guys, if you're looking for the hottest opportunity in the market to research, you need to watch this video. Before I begin, do me a favor, be sure to smash that like button. It only takes a few seconds and I really would appreciate it. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new so you don't miss out on future updates. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice videos, only for entertainment purposes. Now, let's get right into it, guys. So the company I'm referring to is Incannex Healthcare Inc. And you can find this company trading on the NASDAQ under ticker symbol IXHL. Before I break down why I think this company could be on the verge of a potential breakout, do yourself a favor, pause this video and add this one to your watch list. So this is a company we've covered before on this channel, and I want to do a quick refresher and then go over the exciting news that just dropped. So Incannex is a science-led combination medicines company leading the way in developing cannabinoid-based medicines and psychedelic-based regimens for people living with challenging chronic conditions. Incannex is the first and only company conducting clinical studies of cannabinoid combination medicines, including IHL-42X for OSA and IHL-675A for inflammation. Incannex is the only company developing an oral synthetic psilocybin PSX-001 treatment for generalized anxiety disorder administered in combination with psychological support. Now, this company, guys, has a very impressive pipeline. First, they have IHL-42X, which is for the treatment of obstructive sleep apnea. What's great about this treatment is in a phase 2 clinical trial, IHL-42X was shown to reduce the apnea-hypopnea index in all dosage strengths tested. AHI is a key measurement used to assess the severity of OSA by quantifying the numbers of apneas and hypopneas that occur per hour of sleep. In this trial, the lowest dose of IHL-42X was observed to be the most effective, reducing AHI by an average of 51% relative to baseline, where 25% of patients experienced a reduction in AHI of greater than 80%. That is very promising. Also, the global market for sleep apnea treatment is significant and growing, driven by increasing awareness and the rising prevalence of sleep disorders. The global market for sleep apnea devices was valued at $8.2 billion in 2023 and is expected to grow to $20.4 billion by 2030. Now, the next treatment in their pipeline is IHL-675A, and this is for rheumatoid arthritis. As you can see from this diagram, they are making significant progress as well in phase 1 and phase 2 studies. And the market, guys, for rheumatoid arthritis is substantial and growing as well. In 2023, the RA market was valued at approximately $67.9 billion in the US and is projected to grow to $104.5 billion by 2032. This growth is driven by the increasing prevalence of the disease, advancements in treatment options, and rising patient awareness. Next, they also have PSX-001 for the treatment of generalized anxiety disorder. In a phase 2 clinical trial, 44% of the patients taking PSX-001 showed a clinical meaningful improvement, or at least a 50% reduction in anxiety scores from baseline compared to those receiving a placebo. PSX-001 was shown to be well tolerated with no serious adverse events reported, and they anticipate reporting full clinical results from the phase 2 proof of concept study in the first half of 2025. So guys, this is another amazing treatment that they are working on, and the global GAD treatment market was valued at approximately $1.8 billion in 2023, and the market is projected to grow at a compounded annual growth rate CAGR of 9% through 2033, with the potential to reach $4.26 billion. So there's a lot of potential with their treatments, guys, and I do think the market opportunity here is very impressive. That is why I wanted to bring this company to your attention as early as possible. Now, guys, let's go over the major news that just dropped. So on January 23rd, 2025, Incannex Healthcare announced positive top-line results from pharmacokinetic study of IHL-42X, an oral combination medicine for the treatment of obstructive sleep apnea. Furthermore, according to Mark Bleakley, Incannex's chief scientific officer, he states the top-line IHL-42X PK findings we are reporting today provide data necessary to support a 505(b)(2) application in accordance with the FDA guidance, assuming continued positive results from our phase 2 and phase 3 clinical trials. The trials results are consistent with our expectations and the objectives for IHL42X, a novel oral fixed dose combination therapeutic. So overall, guys, this is fantastic news for Incannex Healthcare as they are making tremendous progress with IHL42X. I cannot wait to see how much they take this drug further in 2025. The progress they are making here is absolutely phenomenal. And this is another reason why I wanted to introduce this company to you again this week. Personally, I do like the opportunity I am seeing here with Incannex Healthcare. Now let's go over one more set of news that just dropped today on February 4th, 2025. This is when Incannex Healthcare appoints Allison Wims, PhD, to newly formed IHL42X Obstructive Sleep Apnea Clinical Advisory Board. So Dr. Wims brings 2 decades of sleep medicine industry and research expertise to her advisory role at Incannex. Dr. Wims holds a Doctor of Philosophy in Medicine and a Master of Medicine and Bachelor of Science degrees from the University of Sydney. Furthermore, according to Joel Latham, Incannex's President and Chief Executive Officer, he states Incannex's newly formed Clinical Advisory Board and the appointment of Dr. Wims underscore our continued dedication to innovation in the field of OSA and transforming patient treatment outcomes. We are thrilled to welcome Dr. Wims' expertise to our IHL42X Clinical Advisory Board. This marks an exciting step in fostering collaboration as we advance our global phase 2-3 RE-POSA clinical study in OSA. So overall, guys, this is another win for Incannex Healthcare. Now let's turn our attention to the stock chart. I think the current level the stock is trading at is very tempting. Personally, I'm really impressed with what they are accomplishing and the fact that they are continuing to make massive strides. This could be the perfect time to start your research on this company. If you haven't done so already, add Incannex Healthcare Inc. to your watch list immediately. Once again, guys, here is the ticker symbol. I will leave some links in the video description if you want to learn more about this exciting opportunity. With that said, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button. I really would appreciate it. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new so you don't miss out on future updates. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice. Videos only for entertainment purposes.